What's up everyone, welcome back to Hollow Week here on the Coral Reef Talk channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Filter Media Cup. So I got this box here from Filter Media Cup, a company over in Bradenton, Florida, and they specialize in filter media cups. Now, these are high-grade plastic cups that, well, they sit in your sump and you can put any type of filter media through it. And what I plan to do is use export biocubes. You can use any type of filter media. If you want to run carbon, you put carbon in the mesh bag, you put GFO in a mesh bag if you want to use that as your filter media, and you put it in this filter media cup, and the filter media cup goes down into your sump. Now, what's great about this design and about the filter media cup in general is it eliminates the need for using filter socks. So if you're tired of changing out those gunk-filled filter socks, putting them in your washing machine, bleaching them, cleaning them up each and every time, you can get a filter media cup instead. And all you have to do to change out the media, you just pull out the plastic cup, you can rinse it off, put in new media, and put it back in your sump. That easy. Now, this piece right here goes in my trigger system sumps for filter socks, and so I can show you an example of how this works. The filter media cup, you just place it right inside, and the standard 4-inch size filter media cup will fit right in here, just like any filter sock would. But first we have to get the export biocubes ready to go into our filter media cup and into our sump. And the way you do that is you pour out the recommended amount. This says about 20 to 25 export biocubes for every 100 US gallons. I have a 210 gallon reef, so we're gonna use around 40 cubes. And what you have to do is rinse them thoroughly first, either in your tank water or RODI water. And then you can seed them with Microbacter, another one of Brightwell's products. And once you have rinsed them and seeded them, you can put them in your sump, or in this case, the filter media cup. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're gonna get some water. Now that we got the water, we're gonna add our export biocubes. And this helps with ammonia, nitrites. It also helps build that beneficial bacteria. Anaerobic and aerobic bacteria to help with nitrates, and as well as remove phosphates as they populate in the pores of these biocubes. So we're going to pour these in, rinse them out, and get them in our filter media cup. Now, these are just tiny little cubes, but the surface area on each one of these is pretty intense. I don't know if that'll focus or not. There we go. And it only looks like that this is going to be enough for my tank, so I'm going to end up using the entire container. Okay, so the export cubes are in the filter media cup, and as you can see here, it's that easy, guys. You just put your media into the cup and place it in your sump. Okay, so overall, I think the filter media cup is a great solution to replacing filter socks. So if you want to learn more and check out just more information about the filter media cup, go to filtermediacup.com. So I picked up an extra filter media cup to give away to one lucky winner in the comment section below. So go ahead and type, "I want a filter media cup," or "filter media cup," something along those lines in the comments, and I'll choose a winner in about a week or so. Now, don't forget about the other contest I have going on for Cobalt Aquatics Ultra Pellet Fish Food. Just watch the Cobalt Aquatics video from Hollow Week to find out how to enter that one. Well, I hope you learned something in this episode. It's been a lot of fun so far creating these videos for Hollow Week. I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you learned something. And if you're not a part of the Coral Reef Talk already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and check the bell icon to be notified every single time I make a new video. And I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.